There's a stigma against filing a personal injury claim. And let's think about why that is. 9.9 out of 10 times, that money is getting paid by an insurance company. So the question becomes, who benefits from you not filing a lawsuit? Personal injury attorneys and personal injury claims are constantly given a bad rap, all aimed at convincing you not to file a claim. So let's take a step back for a second. I want you to think about two things. One, you are not asking the person that injured you to pay you out of their pocket. If you've been injured in an accident, the entity that would pay you is an insurance company. That insurance company has been paid premiums precisely for this reason. We all pay our premiums with the promise that the insurance company will pay out on claims if and when there's an accident. All you're asking is that their insurance company make good on their promise. Make good on the fact that they're insured, the person who harmed you paid their premiums every month, and that they pay out on this insurance claim, and that they make you whole. And number two, if you don't pursue your claim, there is only one entity that is benefiting here, and that's the insurance company. What the insurance companies have done is they've convinced the general public that filing personal injury lawsuits is bad. And think about that for a second. If an insurance company doesn't pay out on injury claims, what was the point of having us pay premiums to those insurance companies? What's the point of an insurance company? The purpose of an insurance company is to insure against unforeseeable risk. Well, when that bad thing happens, the insurance company's job is to pay out. Should the insurance company just get to collect the premiums and not have you get made whole? I have yet to come across an insurance company that is hurting for profit. All I hear is these insurance companies making more and more profit every year. Their CEO is taking home more and more pay every year. Yet they can't make you whole for the damages that their insured caused you? What they're trying to say is that when the bad thing happens, yeah, you have insurance, but you shouldn't use it. It's a totally disingenuous argument that has been sewed into the public narrative by these billion-dollar insurance companies that have loads and loads of money to put out PR and lobbying efforts to convince you, the public, that you should not sue. So here's the question I have for people. You've been injured in an accident. You've had to spend on medical expenses you wouldn't have had to spend on. You have lost wages you wouldn't have otherwise lost. You've incurred pain and suffering that would not have happened but for this accident. Now, every month you've paid your premiums. You've been a good customer of the insurance company, right? But now the insurance companies are telling you that you are bad for filing a personal injury claim. We have insurance for these situations. Why would you let them off the hook if you've been injured in an accident and you've been paying money into the system in order to cover you if and when you've been harmed? I would encourage you that if you've been injured in an accident and you have actually suffered harm because of it, talk to a lawyer and hold the insurance company accountable to the very promise that they made.